Now, in terms of non-palletized storage, mini loads is an important term. A mini load is basically an automated storage and retrieval system for small items. A computer-controlled crane operates along a central aisle and can access cartons or tot bins from shelving or racking on either side. So mini load kya hai? It's a small crane which is computer controlled. It can operate in the central aisle, and on both sides of it, it can actually lift, it can actually access the cartons as well as tot bins. Remember, handling cartons or tot bins would be totally different from handling the pallets. So mini load would be the van. It would be the crane that would actually be working on, and it can access anything from on the either side of the aisle. This is a typical representation of a mini load. So mini load can actually access small cartons and small tot bins. It has one capacity and it can move in the narrower aisles as well. But it's automated, it is being controlled by the computer, so the movement that stacks, the SKUs which are actually present in the shelves would be of the same type, and it can access one type of SKU at one time. So students, this is an important, mini load is an important storage handling equipment which is used for a non-palletized storage. Thank you.